this video, we'll be learning how to cook vegetable biryani in just 15 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome you all to the DJ's Veg Kitchen. Let's get into the quick recipe. Here I've taken 1 medium-sized carrot, which are chopped in round shape, 1 medium-sized onion sliced, 2 cloves, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 medium-sized capsicum, which are chopped, 4 beans pieces, which are chopped, 1 medium-sized potato, which are peeled and chopped, half cup of tomato puree, 4 teaspoons of curd, 1½ cups of basmati rice, which are washed. Now take a pressure cooker, add 4 teaspoons of oil and wait until the oil gets heated up. You can also use ghee if you prefer. Once the oil is heated up, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add the vegetables one by one, add the bay leaves and the cloves, add the onions, carrot, fry it for a minute or two. Add the potatoes, add the tomato puree, and now cook all the vegetables for 2 minutes. Now let's add the basmati rice. Gently mix the basmati rice with the vegetables. Now let's add the spices. Add 1½ tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt according to your taste, add 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, 2½ cups of water, mix it well. Now add 4 teaspoons of curd, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now close the lid and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Reduce the steam and then open to check if the rice is cooked. If not, then quickly cover with its lid and keep it aside for 10 minutes and then serve. Our vegetable biryani is ready to be served. Serve with raita. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.